So when we started this discussion many years ago, Gulfstream and General Dynamics envisioned a family of airplanes, multiple platforms, and we wanted to create a company that had growth opportunity, that took advantage of synergies of design, of manufacturing, and of service. So when we envisioned the G650, we actually were thinking well beyond the G650, and we had envisioned two families of airplanes built off of different platforms. The 650, which will now grow into the G700, and also the G800, and then the smaller airplane in the large cabin segment with the G400, G500, and G600. And investing in those multiple families of airplanes was important for us for the long-term vision. We elected to only announce them at certain times just because of the market, to make sure that we were meeting the correct market demands. We announced the 500 and the 600 in 2014. We were actually working on G400, G500, and G600 at the time. And then we announced the G700 in 2019, and we were actually working on G700 and G800 simultaneously. We're trying to make sure that we meet the market demand without overselling our hand, but it is good now to have the entire vision on the table of what we're doing and what we're trying to accomplish. The synergy associated with the design, the certification, and manufacturing of building these similar airplanes has been phenomenal for us, and I think it's going to pay off for our customers in more reliable, higher quality airplanes. We had envisioned these airplanes coming to market about this time. So sometimes you get a little bit lucky with the vision, but the market has been strong. The recovery from COVID, even though there's certainly some impact to the world still from COVID, the business aviation market has been recovering for 4 quarters now. We still see that activity increasing into 2022. So it is good to announce these new products into a rising tide for sure. So the interior of this airplane has become a real focal point for all of our customers. They need a productive environment, they want a comfortable environment, they want efficient, reliable experience when they're on our airplane. And we have invested heavily over the last decade in creating a better cabin experience. And the tools that we have today with 3D model design and some of the automated manufacturing we use, this is absolutely the best fit and finish that we've ever done on an interior. The airplanes are quiet, the systems operate effectively. It's really a proud moment for us. This is the best work I believe we've ever done. When you endeavor to do something of this magnitude, to build a new aircraft platform or multiple aircraft platform, you really have to think through the whole life cycle of these airplanes. So when we decide to build a new G700, G800 platform, we not only think about the investment in design and the investment in manufacturing, but also the investment that we need to make to be able to ensure that we can support these airplanes for 40 or 50 years. And our customers count on us to be able to do that. The vision for us is very simple. I would like us to be the service provider for every Gulfstream owner. Now, that's a massive undertaking and a major responsibility, but I believe if we provide the right level of service with the right facilities, that our customers will use Gulfstream service throughout the world. So you will see us announce expansions to our service footprint. We're actually building a new facility outside of Fort Worth at Alliance Airport right now that will open in the spring of 22. And then we'll hopefully have some more announcements here as we go into the 4th quarter.